This is a next weather alert from CBS News Miami.
Okay, Ivan, I know you've been keeping tabs on this severe weather, and it seems to be changing very rapidly. Lots of things to get to. Fill us in the latest.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of things here going on. We've had every kind of watch and warning you can imagine. So the tornado watch goes until 3 a.m. That means all of us here, conditions favorable for tornadoes to develop. Obviously, we had that one brief tornado warning there for parts of Coral Gables and Coconut Grove. That has been allowed to expire. What is still underway is not just a lot of rainfall, but you kind of appreciate the rotation here. The thunderstorms are kind of spinning here, and so that happens over water with less friction there, but sometimes when they come on shore, they continue exhibiting that, and so we get these tornado warnings that come up. This is the heavy rain that now is taking hold of the entire Keys here. Marathon getting clocked with some frequent lightning and heavy rainfall as well. Less lightning activity, but plenty of rainfall here, and it's accumulated to the point where we still have this flash flood warning in Miami Beach, and that goes until 2 a.m. and then just flood advisories from south to north here, just all into blue, indicating street flooding underway, and it's going to continue, and it's not going to get any better because we got more rain that's going to be on the way. We got this one up towards the latest across portions of northern Broward and into Palm Beach County. Area of low pressure that developed across the straits here from another system, a parent low that's to the north and west. All of this has just generated all this action here, with the worst of it as far as the frequent lightning down towards the straits. But obviously you saw there the storms getting close enough to impact us. The hope was, and some of the models were indicating this was going to get pushed a little further south, but that was not the case, and we have all been experiencing the result of it here. Saturday, continuing to see impacts, I think, through the midday hour for additional thunderstorms that will develop, and I'll show you that on Rain Tracker here. So here's the current picture. We will push this south and east. We still have, I think, a couple more hours before the severe threat begins to diminish significantly overnight, and then by the time we get into 3 a.m. the tornado watch expires. But even this particular model indicating, you know, that will happen a little bit sooner, and no complaints here. There are the Keys still looking at some rainfall, even some thunderstorm activity through the early part of tomorrow, but it's not until between 9 and noon that we get additional showers and storms moving in, and the totals obviously continue there. 3 to 5 inches, some of us picking up half a foot of rainfall with this event that has come in 3 rounds. Third one still yet to come tomorrow. South winds 20 to 25, generally gusts to 35. We've seen gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour, of course, and with the severe weather, you can have gusts gusting up towards 60, perhaps even 70 miles an hour. So tornado watch continues till 3 a.m. That's the next alert, and then I think until midday tomorrow through the very early part of the afternoon, another round of showers and storms, and then we get into much drier weather heading into Sunday, and that continues heading into early next week with dry conditions, breezy at times, but nothing doing here with upper 70s to lower 80s.